I've been teaching morning routine and the 5 a.m. club for over 22 years, Emil. You mentioned, thank you for your kind words about the monk who sold his Ferrari. There was a chapter in there about the ritual of early rising. So I've been evangelizing the importance of a morning routine and a calibrated morning routine for many years. And most of us now know the reason why. The mother of all habits, I believe, is starting your day well. So in many ways, it's the one move that if you do it, will take care of every other move. Rising at 5 a.m. and then running in the book what I call the 20-20-20 formula, which is the first pocket moving, the second pocket reflecting, the third pocket growing. In terms of my process for writing the book, it was a messy, dangerous, terrifying, mystical, satisfying, beautiful process. Like any important creative project that we all are blessed to do. I wrote the book over 4 years. I wrote it in Mauritius. The first chapter, or the second chapter of the book is set in Mauritius. So I wrote it in Mauritius. I wrote it in St. Petersburg, Russia. I wrote it in Sao Paulo, Brazil. I wrote it in Canada, Switzerland, and a lot of the book was in Rome. And yeah, I just think if you look at the great geniuses of the world, I'm not suggesting I'm a great genius of the world, but if you look at the Shakespeares and the Einsteins, and if you look at the Jean-Michel Basquiats and the Picassos, they all have one thing in common, which is incredibly important for all your viewers from around the world, which is the essence of genius is isolation. And in the 5 a.m. Club, there's actually a model called transient hypofrontality, which explains our neurobiological gift. We all have this. We're in isolation, away from distraction. Our brain waves shift from alpha right down to possibly theta, and we access the genius that lives inside every brain. So that's a little bit about my process and the importance of getting away from distraction.